all walk in front of us, and then we follow them. Okay? Alright.
Hello.
Yes, come on.
Come on.
So this is the Ruok River.
Yeah.
This inside is Myanmar.
Yeah.
Elephant can swim there or walk there. The water is not that deep.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
Nam Yên bỏ.
So it's always like the order, right?
Actually, so
always
Kamun
in
is
the
in the
back.
back. No, Kamun is coming up first. So what's this one going to do? Are you going to climb over here? You sure? Well, I mean, you can, but do you want to? And in that. Not dirt, not dirt. Don't play with it.
Kamun. What's Kamun doing?
This is the pong, the pong. Kamun is that one.
Oh, Kamun is this one. No, this is Kamun, right?
This is Jatong.
Oh,
The ears, look at the ears.
so this is Kamun, huh?
This is
Come on, this is the second.
Jatong. Kamun is the one that's very, very long, pointy.
Oh,
They
yeah.
switch position a little bit. Okay, let her go first.
It's okay.
Got it. Exfoliation.
Wow. So nice. But the back of the elephant have the like the sand muddy. But do they know and do they like deep in so that they can wash?
Usually, so the layer of sand or sometimes soil or clay or mud,
Yeah, yeah.
it's actually a protection against the sun.
Oh,
So
yeah,
they
yeah.
put it on themselves.
Oh.
And they stay there. So
Oh,
when they start
wow.
to get a little bit wet, then you start to see that they become a bit more. The colors of the elephant is actually much darker than this. So,
Oh, so
can
this is
see-
sunburn, right?
no, not sunburn. It's
Oh.
just a lot of clay.
Oh,
so
come
a lot
on.
of like dirt on the
Yeah.
skin. So it looked a bit orange.
I like Kamun.
So
I
I
like Kamun.
You guys are not showering today? Is it too cold? Okay, buddy, I know it's raining. You've been in the water though.
So you mean this one doesn't like swimming, right?
Yeah, none of them are swimming today. So usually the elephants swim a bit, but I guess not today, not interested. Ooh, be careful. She starts to dig up dirt, okay? So this area typically is used for elephant when they want to scratch themselves against a tree.
Yes.
So you'll see that there are a lot of clay,
Yeah.
foot mark on the
Yeah.
elephant.
Oh.
They're rubbing a little bit. เกาอยู่พ่อรอก่อน You good?
Yeah, that's good. No problem.
If I'm in a frame, let me know so I can move up to the side. So elephant, they're also similar to us. They also develop a right hand and a left hand kind of type, but they use it with their trunk. So whenever they pick food, usually for most elephant, they tend to swipe to the left to grab the food, and they arrange it so that all the leaf stay on one side and all the stick on the other
Yeah.
side. If you handed them something in a wrong position like this, Sometimes the elephant twists their trunk so that they can arrange it this way,
yeah.
or they put it onto the ground and then they can pick it up again. So it depends on the elephant. So some of them would do the opposite direction. Even the way that they chew their food or how they eat, it's very different. Some elephants learn to pick up a lot of food, they put it in their mouth, and then they use their teeth to cut off the end that they don't eat and just eat this part and then just drop it directly off the ground. Some elephants just hold it and then they rip it out in their mouth. Very different way of eating, depends on which elephant it is.
Very clever, right?
Yes, they are very clever.
Very smart.
A lot of time it's learning, most of the elephants, they also learn by copying older elephants. So it's essential that if you have young elephants, they stay with a lot of adults so that they can copy their behavior, and then they know how to take care of themselves when they're older, and if they have to live alone in the future.
Come on. They put the sand. They put the sand in her back.
Sometimes they do that. So usually when the body is wet, they also put a layer of sand on top.
Yeah.
To the moisture.
Yeah.
So because if it's dry, then if it's sand, it's just gonna slide off. So
So that's why I saw she put the sand.
they want to go see the baby.
This is the name. Who is she?
Three.
Three. I think.
Three, and he'll be 4 next month on October
3
3rd.
for next.
Oh, really? Near my birthday.
Oh,
My birthday is the second.
have to take photo together.
Yes.
It's like your cousin, a young cousin. Young cousin. จะเอาวอโทรศัพท์ไปที่